new here, I'm T, and if you're not new here, it's great to have you back. We do have Charlie with us, but he's behind the camera. In today's video, we are doing a room tour. We're staying at Palms Resort and Casino, so we thought, as usual, let's show you what our room is like. So, we're staying in Fantasy Tower, and we have a strip view king room. A view you will see very soon. So, to start, the bathroom.
I'm here.
Yeah. So, bathroom, this is actually the only mirror we have in the room. Very good sized mirror. If I turn the light off there. We've also got the underneath lighting, which is really nice. But let's go this side.
Go this side, let me in.
We'll go this side, let you in. So the toilet is here. No phone in this bathroom. Usually there is a phone in the Vegas rooms, but no phone. Instead, we have a sliding door.
And a huge mirror, which T did just say it's the only mirror we have on the wall, but actually the door is a mirror.
Oh, is there a mirror?
Yes.
Oh, what do you know?
Look.
Another mirror. But if, you know, there's just the two of you and you want, one of you needs to use the toilet, the other needs to shower, you're strapped for time. Great feature. In here, I mean, towels, flannels, standard. We have the shower. Now, one thing to note about the shower is it is not soft close.
Ooh.
It's not soft close at all. But it's a very nice, spacious, is it work? Yes, it is. It's a good thing I didn't sit down. It's a very nice, spacious shower which you can sit in. If you please, if you need to shave your legs, you know. As always, we like to test the water, but I do not want to get wet, so Charlie, lead the way.
Here we go. I'm back doing my job. So, very quickly, I love this shower. So much room, very nice, very modern. But let's test out the water as we go. There we go. Pretty good shower. It's only one pressure. Is that the right word? Pressure? It's
One
only,
shower head.
yeah, it's only one pressure. You can't change the pressure. You literally just turn it to put it on hot and cold. But very nice. For me, before I take the camera back, I'm going to say one of the best parts of the room for sure.
Yeah.
Very nice part.
So you have your standard soaps, shampoos, conditioner, that stuff in there. But if you follow me, so we have a little mini bar section over here with, oh, do not take any drinks out unless you're ready to pay for them. So as soon as you remove something, it gets charged to the room. So look, but do not touch. But we've got loads of goodies here. Some sweets, some Advil or ibuprofen. Got lots of stuff. And then in here, I guess if you had your own snacks, you can keep them in there. Some lovely artwork. Our king size bed. We've got a treat for you, as always in all things TNC fashion, but we'll wait for that at the end. The bedside, we both have drawers, very spacious. We have the lights, which are supposed to do something.
You did, right around the edge of you. Do it again. Turn it back on. It's mood lighting, see?
Oh, I was like, what changed? We have some mood lighting around the bed. Oh, it must be on my side. My side controls the entire lighting. Sounds about right.
Funny how that worked out.
So over here, got a lovely little desk area. If you have some work to do, some papers to sign, or, you know, whatever you do here. We've got an area for you to sit down. I love this little table here, very nice. A beautiful view. I mean, the sun was out and it still is very hot, but if you can imagine this at night, and we might include it in this room tour, but this is the strip view. Well, not the strip, but some of the strip view.
This is the first part. So you've got like this, mainly the side. You can see the Rio there. You can probably see the Stratosphere right in the distance, and then you have more around here. But I
The
think
win.
this is the side, right? We want to be talking about. This is where it really comes
Yes.
into own.
So, on this side, I know less about the strip than Charlie, but we have Rio, which I always mention because of the colours. We've got Wynn, we've got Harrods. We went in Harrods.
Yeah, of course we have. We've been everywhere. Everyone's
that
been everywhere.
Caesar's?
So we've got Caesar's Palace to your left. You're pointing at Bellagio.
Oh.
And then I'm just taking over for everyone. We have Cosmo, Aria, and then further down you can see all the way to Mandalay Bay.
We have
and
tea.
You also have tea. So when we talk about strip view room, this really is a full strip view room, and that's why we booked this one. It's a little bit more obviously for a strip view room, but let's come back to our star of the show, our main attraction, our view. What's left?
One thing I wanted to point out, the pool is just there, and we've got quite a few different pools to choose from.
It's a very nice
I can't
pool.
even see my finger. My finger was pointing.
By the time this video comes out, our Vegas Palms vlog will be out. Check that out if you want to see more of the pool.
But as you can see, there's just so much. There's so much space.
Anything else you can do? Lots of space.
There's so much space. So a couple more features to show. The room control here. It was originally in degrees Fahrenheit, but we changed it to degrees Celsius, so there's that. But you can turn on the heat, the air conditioning, whatever you want. I am a little bit out of breath after doing those acrobatics.
And it is hot in here because we've had to turn that off, otherwise it's all you would hear.
And then you may be wondering where we've hidden all of our bags. So we have a safe, we have a pillow, we have, I didn't know you hung this. We have some hangers and our suitcases, plenty of space.
of room, right?
Plenty.
There we go. So that leaves only one thing, right?
Yes. So, in all things TNT fashion, Charlie.
Yes, so the bit I've been waiting for, the bit that hopefully some people have been waiting for, I'm going to test out the bed properly, as I do on all of these videos. And we have already slept on this bed, so I know it's not going to hurt when I jump on it. Not like Planet Hollywood, I've not forgotten that. But here we go. Are we ready?
Diddle doo doo. Diddle doo doo doo.
This is a very comfortable bed. I don't know if we mentioned that before, but it's so comfortable. You saw I had my eyes shut, I was ready to sleep. So comfortable. We had a great night's sleep on this actually. Pillows are comfortable. Overall, very nice room, right?
Yes.
You do have to bear in mind you are off strip, so if you want to be on the strip, then this is not the hotel for you. But if you know you're going to be off strip and you're comfortable with that, then this is a really good value room. I think the refurb has really made the rooms really nice in this tower. The view is incredible. So if you're happy being off strip and you know you're going to be off strip and you don't mind that, then this is a very good value room, especially as I think the strip view didn't cost that much more. And it is one of the best strip views you can get because you get the whole strip. We were a bit nervous because sometimes you get a strip view room and you just get partial strip view or whatever else, but you literally, as you can see, get a whole view around half the hotel room. So that is definitely worth the money.
So I think we've pretty much covered everything.
Yes, one thing we got asked on our last room tour was, do the windows open? But of course you can tell from here, the windows here don't open, which is definitely a good thing. That would be major safety hazard.
Hazardous, yeah.
But yeah, we really like this room. It's really nice, really clean, it's fresh. It's been refurbed recently. Very solid room, off strip, just bear that in mind. But liked it, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
If you enjoyed this video, check out the rest of our Vegas vlogs.
But for now, that's it from us. We will see you in the next one.
Bye.